What's up, everybody? I just got my shop together. Well, it's my garage, but I just recently passed on a motorcycle course, and I'm working at Valley Cycles in East McKeesport. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, it's right off Route 30. So you can come see me down there if you need your bike fixed. We're one of the only dealerships that still fix the older bikes. We work on the older bikes, but I wanted to show you what I got. I'm so happy about all this stuff. Check it out. First of all, this is my tool set. Let me move this out of the way. It's Teng tools, company out of Australia, I think. But these tools are really great. I got this whole thing for a very reasonable price. This is my socket set. The way they have everything lined up, everything's in its own place. It's very organized. There's my screwdrivers and pliers. They come in these little dishes and they link together. I don't see if you can see that, but they link together, and everything is really properly, very well laid out. The metric is in gray. You can see all your sizes there. Standard universal is in black. Impact wrenches. Everything I need. Okay, I didn't have these two up here. Let's open this one down here. Fixed out. So what that's all about. Won't come all the way out. These drawers, they come all the way out. Okay, I don't have anything there, nothing there, nothing there. Oh, here's some. Pullers, rivet set. All of this came together. Nice, very nice tool wrench. Everything's laid out in there really nicely. Spanners. This should actually be up with the ratchet set, but hammers, hacksaw. Stuff there. And then this is a drawer. Got my multimeter and my light and everything. Tack light, very nice. But anyway, that's that. Got all my tools, and I got my lift. Look at this thing. It's a beast. It works off of the air. Got my bike there. Victory Vision. But the lift is very sturdy, very well quality. It's a Black Widow. And it works off the air here. Lift and everything came with this. Comes with the stool, the lift. It comes with this tire thing here to balance the tires. It comes with a bead breaker. I haven't put that together yet. That's over there in the box. But so this is my shop, and it comes with this jack here. But I am in business. I'm all ready to fix my bike and whoever else's bike. So if you need your bike fixed, you live in the Pittsburgh area, come to Valley Cycles in East McKeesport. I can't remember the name of the road, and that's a shame. But look it up, you'll find it. It's really not hard to find. And come see us. We do very good quality work at a fair price, and that's that. And there's my son. Say hi, son. All right. Signing off. Thanks for watching.